Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Monday 16th of May SLP update. All right, so right now we have already started the new week, okay, and we do have something known as three black rows right over here. That's the three black rows on a weekly time frame. So even if you were to go to the upside, maybe this is the only place it makes sense for SOP to go to the upside, and that's where you might even find this level of resistance. Go a little bit sideways like this, touch this level and the line, and then you continue to drop down to this level. If and only if you have to consider Bitcoin in this case, in this sense as well. So there's a little bit of room for SOP to actually make a move back here and then get rejected and then go to this level by maybe the next 10 days. But maybe these 7 days could be a little bit merciful, could be a little bit green, just the way you saw the downtrends over here turning green as well. But we still have to watch Bitcoin very closely. We have to observe Bitcoin and what Bitcoin is going to do, how it's going to behave, and that's how SLP is going to behave, by mirroring what Bitcoin make its own move to the upside or the downside. So it is what it is right now. I'm just going to dive into the 4-hour time frame, and let's talk about the 4-hour time frame, by the way. Okay. So on the 4-hour time frame, we still have this apex coming in, and I'm going to show you that apex right now. So this is what you have, some sort of a symmetrical triangle, or you can even say it's a bear pennant. Who knows? It could be a bear pennant, by the way, but I don't really think. It's just, let's say it's a very symmetrical triangle, by the way. So if it depends on where you break out. It hasn't really broke out, so it is gonna break out by tomorrow maximum time. So if you start to break to the upside like this, there's a good chance you're going back here. And if you break to the downside, of course, lose support and then that down you go. It's very simple formula. So let's see what happens. Can you actually start to make a move to the upside to the 550s and then go and drop to the downside? That's something is interesting. Or would you like to actually continue to move to the upside? That's something interesting to watch as well. So let's look what it happens. That's the only thing about this one. Break it out, up you go. Break it down, down you go. Simple. And that's it. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.